Ethics reflection. Ethics seeks to answer the question, how should we behave in order to defend our life before reality? One way of answering this question is by asking, what is reality? Reality is different depending on the sense through which we perceive it, whether we perceive it with sight, hearing, touch, smell, or taste. From the perspective of sight, reality is a combination of patches of color. We must accept the combinations we cannot choose. What does it matter if we cannot pick one combination or another? What matters is the response that we can indeed choose to the combinations that come to us. We must choose to love and not to hate the combinations of colors we happen to live with, because the patches of color are part of us. And if we love them, we love ourselves. And if we hate them, we hate ourselves. And if we love ourselves, we defend our life. And if we hate ourselves, we destroy it. What we have said about sight is also valid for everything imaginary, or born of memory. But what happens when we move from sight to touch? What happens when we are affected by very painful tactile sensations? What happens if we not only see someone insulting us or giving us a hostile look, but also we perceive someone who, for example, strikes us with a club, or we perceive something that impacts our body? In that case, we must defend ourselves, or at least dodge the blows, because that is the best way to love ourselves and thus defend our life. Whenever we can keep reality confined to sight alone, or even perceive nothing at all, it will be easier for us to defend our life than if it reaches the sense of touch. To defend our life, we must strive to love the reality that affects only our sight, but the one that reaches us through touch we must avoid or attack if it harms us.